Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. This one here is my special series, triple drone F sharp, tuned to 432 Hertz. I will be producing these in 528 Hertz, 440 Hertz, and also 432 Hertz. This one here, as you can see, the mouthpiece is very close together, so you won't have any problems getting it into your mouth. It has my deer antler blocks on it. It has an oil finish. It has like a little satin shine. Very beautiful piece of wood. Okay, how you remove your leather? There's a knot up under the bottom. See that knot? All you have to do is grab that knot, pull down on it, and twist upward. So you grab your knot, you grab on your knot right here, pull down on it, get it to where you can see it. Grab your knot, pull down on it, and twist upward. Grab your knot, pull down on it, and you twist upward. And it comes right off your finger holes. Do not slide your leather because it'll wear your leather out. This way your leather will last you a long, long time. Okay, I'm going to do a very short sound sample. F sharp, 432 Hertz. With the center and the left side. Center and the right side. All three together. Now the center, the middle, and this side, and play just like a regular Native American flute. All three together. Beautiful, folks. I'll put the link below this video to where you can purchase you one right away. Thank you so much for everything, folks. Have a good one.